6 years ago na lumabas yung video na to. Actually, original siya ng Sugar Free, which is vocal led by Ebe Dancel. And this version is sobrang sakit na solemn, na iba-iba eh. Yung atake ng bawat isa sa song na to, makikita mo yung progress tsaka yung style nila. Iba yung pinapahiwatig or meaning niya kapag napapakinggan mo. First is si Janoy na parang masaya, inspired ka. Yung love na nararamdaman mo during that time nung kinakanta niya yung part niya, peace lang, ganun. And when it comes to Dumas naman, yung part niya is parang playful. Kumbaga sa storytelling parang nagkakaroon na ng problema. At pagdating naman kay Ebe, parang pinapahiwatig niya na is letting go all of the emotions. Nung kinakanta